Welcome to Block Byte Gamer, where we explore gaming, tech, and digital success. Rock it today, we're diving deep into YouTube automation, a powerful way to build a YouTube channel that runs on autopilot and makes money without showing your face. By the end of this video, you'll understand what YouTube automation is, how to start, and how to scale your channel into a passive income machine. So, if you're ready to learn, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more valuable content. YouTube automation is the process of creating and managing a YouTube channel without personally recording videos. Instead, you outsource content creation using scripts, voiceovers, video editing, and thumbnails. Big YouTubers use this strategy to grow multiple channels and make money through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. To automate your YouTube channel, follow these steps. Keycap 1, choose a profitable niche. Finance, tech, gaming, motivation, and AI content work great. Keycap 2, find content ideas. Research trending topics using YouTube, Google Trends, and competitor analysis. Keycap 3, create a script. A well-researched script keeps the video engaging. Keycap 4, get a voiceover. You can record it yourself or use AI-generated voiceovers. Keycap 5, edit the video. Use stock footage, animations, and graphics for a professional look. Keycap 6, optimize with SEO. Use catchy titles, descriptions, and tags to rank higher. Keycap 7, upload and monetize. Enable ads, use affiliate links, and sell digital products for income. To make automation easier, here are some powerful tools: scriptwriting, ChatGPT, Jasper AI, VoiceOver, 11 Labs, Speechelo, video editing, Canva, Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, stock footage, Pexels, Pixabay, Storyblocks, SEO and analytics, TubeBuddy, vidIQ. Once your channel starts growing, here's how you can earn money: bag YouTube ad revenue, get paid for views and clicks, loudspeaker sponsorships, brands pay to promote products, link affiliate marketing, earn commissions from product referrals, graduation cap selling digital products, ebooks, courses, and templates. YouTube automation is a powerful way to build a passive income stream without being on camera. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on powerful strategies. Let me know in the comments, are you going to start a YouTube automation channel? Speech balloon.